Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to today's Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. And that's the bottom line because Ramu said so. Good morning. Good morning, my unbelievable, magical Viva family members. Welcome to the Diamond Show. It's my show, and this is episode number 11. Welcome back to everyone. This is an initiative by me, and to share my experience and my views on our Viva business. And there is nothing to do with the company or with anyone. So I welcome you all once again. So as every time, I just want to recap my week. So from Saturday to today is Friday. So today is our weekend. Actually, as a Viva distributor, a Friday is our weekend. So let me start with Saturday. So Saturday was amazing trip to Chennai. Enjoyed a lot and wonderful training in Chennai. Finished in Chennai and I came to Ongole. Then in Ongole also amazing response. We did Star 1000 and above meeting in Sunday morning and Sunday evening. Fantastic VOP, Vivo opportunity presentation. So that is wonderfully organized by Team Ongole. Then Monday I am back to Vijayawada for discussion and counseling with my team members. Then Tuesday, actually I was in promoting. Tuesday I was promoting. This coming Sunday we are having one mega event. For that promotion, I traveled to places Bapatla, then Chirala, Ongole, then Kandupur. I went all the places to promote our Sunday event. Then Wednesday we have a great workshop. It is first workshop in my entire organization in the last 4.5 years. That Star 500 workshop. So it also went well, amazing. And yesterday I was back to promoting the Sunday event, and I went to Adanki, Darsi, and Ongole, again 3 places to promote the Sunday event. And we are expecting more than 600 people for this coming Sunday event. We are celebrating our brand new achievements from Ongole and surrounding areas. So to promote that yesterday, and today back to Vijayawada. So today, so final work we are completing for Sunday event, and very excited for this Sunday program, and also planning for a surprise event in December. I'm going to meet the Bahubali of Telugu states, Andhra and Telangana, our fastest Black Diamond ambassador, Mr. Raghupati Nageswara Garu. So very excited to meet him, because he have a lot of surprises for me and for everyone. In December there is a lot of planning going on. So I am really very excited to go and meet him. So just eagerly waiting. And also today, one more special day today, because today is the first day in my life. I'm finishing consumption of all 5 products today. Morning, early morning, I had eye coffee. After that, breakfast finished. Just now, I finished eye charge. So, eye glow, eye slim, everything. Today, I am going to finish all our 5 products. First time in one day, I am consuming 5 products. So, I am really very excited about that also. Then, very much excited products and very much excited because today we are as an organization, today is going to be the best week as a part of mission 90 days, and our business is growing across all the places, and today is the best week in my entire Viva career. Today closing is the best week in my entire Viva career. So really excited about that also. So everything is happening, every no every in every aspect of our business, and very excited. So I think you all also excited because today is our closing. So hope you are all busy in closings and all. So let's come to today's topic in our diamond show. Uh, Today my topic is on be a team player. Yes, be a team player. We are into team business. Network marketing is all about team business. So what is it like to be a team player? That is what today my topic is. Just I want to take our Indian cricket team as an example. I want to use an Indian cricket team as our example. So in the say, I just want to relate to everyone by taking Indian cricket team as an example. So you all distributors and me and everybody in industry, we started as an individual. No, because of our need or wants or dreams, we started our Viva business. Same way, just like same way, no, every young person in India, they want to play for country. They show the skills, they develop the skills, they practice the skills, and once they showcase the skills with their individual performance, they will come into the team. Each and every player, because of their individual talent, individual performance, they will come into the team. In the same way, initial stages, because of our individual performance, individual skills, we also managed to create a team. Just like our cricketers with their individual performance, they come into the team. But once coming into the team, it's not about individual performance. Then it comes to team performance. As a player, you can win matches, but as a individual, you can win matches, but as an individual, you can't win tournaments. And that also we saw in the last World Cup. 2 or 3 players, they have good individual performances, but we didn't win the tournament. In the same way, in our Viva business also, with the individual performance, you can't win big achievements. If you want to succeed in Viva business, you need team performance. So after coming as an individual into the organization or into the team, with your individual skill set, you are developing a small team. Then with the help of entire organization and with the help of the team, you are growing business. And once when you are growing business, most of the people, not few of the people, but most of the people, most of distributors, once reaching to certain level, they are thinking the entire team is built because of them. It's just like India winning 2011 World Cup because of an individual. If somebody says such a thing to you, what is your reaction? See, if somebody is coming to you and telling India won 2011 World Cup because of Sachin Tendulkar, if somebody is saying to that, what is your reaction? My reaction would be, I am a big fan of Sachin. If not the big, I am the biggest fan of him. So if somebody is telling to me, my reaction is, if India won because of Sachin, why didn't India win in 2007? Why didn't they win in 2003? Why didn't they win in 99, 96? Why they didn't win in 92 World Cup? All the World Cups Sachin is playing. Then why did they win in all these World Cups but except in 2011? And if somebody is telling it is because of Virat Kohli, then why didn't they win in 2015? Then why didn't they win in 2019? So if they are telling because of MS Dhoni, then why didn't they win again in 2015? So it is, if somebody is telling, that is my reaction. So as a cricket team, you are winning tournaments because of team. In our business also, your achievement, my achievement is because of team. It's not because of me, it's not because of you, it is because of the team. So because of that team, our achievements are coming. If there is no team, if there is no Ramakrishna Gavileni, then there will be no any big achiever. Because of the team only we are achieving. But after reaching certain extent, everybody is thinking this team is developing because of me. My dear friends, my suggestion, that is not true. Even every Black Diamond have already mentioned these things in webinars, Vibrant Viva webinars, and they mentioned in Top Guns meeting, they mentioned in each and every training they are taking. Every Black Diamond mentioned that they became Black Diamond because not because of them, but because of their team. And some people got confusion, and why they want to announce that this team is building because of me, this team is built because of me. The reason is, there are so many reasons for that, but the thing is that they want name and fame. They want the name and fame. That is the reason they are telling everything is built because of me. And if you are thinking the same way, my suggestion is, don't go behind name and fame. You just build your business, the name and fame will come to you. We are in such a wonderful company, Indus Viva company. Every recognition will follow you, everything will follow you if you just focused on building your business with the help of team. You just focus on that, everything will come to you. Don't go behind name and fame. Name and fame will come to you. And there is no if you want to take it from the people, it won't come. If you are building your business sincerely to support your team, then it will come automatically to you. See, everybody talk about MS Dhoni innings in the World Cup final 2011, but it's not only MS Dhoni innings which won us World Cup. There are a lot of 11 players who fought for that. They took their catches, they took the wickets, they restricted first Sri Lanka, then they got good partnerships, and the finishing job is done by MS Dhoni. And just because he finished the match, and if he or we thinking that he won us the match, then it is completely not true. It's totally teamwork. So as my great upline leader and always says, a match is won because of team only. and he always mentioned one wonderful example. India won the match against England in 2002 NatWest final in 2002, and everybody was praising Yuvraj and Kaif, but Yuvraj and Kaif got the chance to make because Sehwag and Ganguly had a wonderful opening partnership. So they did their part, and then everybody came and gone, and then Yuvraj and Kaif finished the match. But India won the match, that final also, because of the teamwork only. So every tournament is won because of teamwork. So your achievement, if you are a star, if you are a star 250, star 500, or maybe like diamond like me, everything is because of team. It's not because of me. So who is this team? So many people get confused with the no team, the word with team. So again, this is my view. I am sharing the who are involved in the team. The first the team, the first name in the team will be our upline leaders. So our upline leader, that is the first name. Our sponsor is the first name in the team. Then our upline leaders. Then comes the major part. No, company. Our company is also in our team, because our company is manufacturing the international standard, no competition products. So our products don't have any competition in Indian market. Our 5 products, each product you check, there is no competition for iPulse, there is no competition for iCoffee, there is no competition for iCharge, there is no competition for our iSlim, there is no competition for our iGlow, no competition for all our 5 products. So company is manufacturing those products. Company is taking part of all the patents, all the publications, all the research and development, manufacturing, packing, delivering, maintaining website, lot of things. Even I couldn't mention the things which our company is taking care of. So in our team list, our company is also there. If see, I am into this industry 11 years back. If I am so much talented, if I am so much that great, then why I'm not successful in the previous companies? Then there is no answer, right? So because company is also a major part, so company is also in our team. Our products, as I already mentioned, the extraordinary products we have, our products are also in our team. Our compensation plan, as per my knowledge, there is our only Indus Viva is paying commission without any service charge, only 5% TDS with the deduction. So our compensation plan, that is also in our team. Our teammates, our VOPs. So not only the VOP which you are conducting. In India, we have more than 300 VOPs. All the 300 VOPs are also in our team. Trainings, Vibrant Viva system, especially Vibrant Viva system, it is also a major player in our team. Teammates, they are also major part. So many things include in the team, and because of this team, we are achieving great things. Our DAC, we should not forget our DAC. They are the top 10 extraordinary people of Indus Viva. Every year, the DAC, they are introducing, they are suggesting on behalf of us, they are suggesting extraordinary things, and our company also taking those. My sponsor, my upline leaders, my company, my products, compensation plan, our management, our our system, our VOPs. So these are all helping me to reach executive diamond today, and executive, and the same thing which they are going to help me to become executive blue diamond in few weeks. This is my team. Because of this team I am successful, and because of this team I am growing, and because of this team I will create a revolution in coming years. It's not me, it's all about the team. So if you are a distributor, you are now with your individual performance, you are going to build a team, and later you also have the opportunity to be a part of, you can also use the team which I mentioned for your growth also. But once you are growing, don't think that your team is building because of you and you only. No, your team, my team, anybody team, industry, if a distributor is growing because of team. So remember that, and mainly be a team player. So don't think that you are the reason for your achievement. So always keep in your mind that our team, because of our team only we are growing. So help the team, take help from the team, help the team, be a great team player. So these are all my views only, my experience. From my experience I am speaking out. So don't take it as personally, but be a good, great, not good, but be a great team player. So help everyone. If you found a Viva distributor, any place, you help them, and you support them, definitely it will help to build your business also. So my dear unbelievable magical Viva family members, so be a great team player, be an example to become a great team player. So all the best. If you have any suggestion, any comments, please comment below, and keep watching this diamond show every week, and it will inspire me to do and to share a lot of things. So keep coming back. So keep encouraging me. So anything, any clarifications, you just comment below. See, I will share my views also. So all the best. So finish this week on high. Make this week the best week. Earn your highest income in Viva this week. So all the best. So I'm going to meet our wonderful, great personality, amazing visionary, Black Diamond Ambassador, Sri Nagupati Nageshwar Garu. So I'm excited. So see you next week. Take care. Impact your team. Bye bye. And that's the bottom line, because Ramu said so.